Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today we're making plantain and peanut porridge.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. Ask anybody, boy. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So here I have 2 green plantain. I'm going to use a cup of raw peanuts and also a cup of oats. Now the first thing you want to do is boil some water. So get a pan on. I'm gonna literally add about 1/4 teaspoon or just a little pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt. And I'm also gonna add a few cinnamon leaves. Now these are dried cinnamon leaves. Now we're just gonna leave that to boil while we start peeling and blending all our stuff. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my hand because the plantain, it can come with a little stain, and the oil avoids your fingers getting stained up. So hence the oil. Just rub a little bit of oil on your hand. Now just start to peel your plantain. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and watch a few of my videos. If you like around the corner here, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, you don't know the deal, pick up on yourself. Now sometimes the skin is a bit stubborn to get off, so what I do is if it doesn't come off in one go, I just literally use my knife just to peel off the excess skin. Now once that's done, I'm literally gonna cut my plantain. Now I'm gonna use my blender to blend everything, but I know some people grate the plantain, but no, not around here. So yeah, just gonna get everything together. Now I'm gonna add about a cup of my almond milk. No, yes, don't mash up on nothing on the equipment like me, okay? This is well full, but yeah. Yes, don't do that to yours. So yeah, once you blend all your ingredients, the water should be boiling. Now make sure when you're pouring, you're stirring it as you're pouring it in. I wasn't stirring a minute ago, so I had a little few lumps, but you have to have video and thing. Sometimes it don't work out how you want to work out, but make sure whilst you're pouring the liquid into the water, you're stirring it as you're pouring, and then you will avoid your lumps. Now we have to rinse out the container, and just because we don't want to lose none of that goodness. Now once you've stirred this, you're gonna realize that it gets really thick. Just want to turn your cooker down. Now I let this cook for about ½ an hour, stirring occasionally. Now after this time, porridge almost ready. So yeah, now it's just now time for sweeten and spice up the thing. Now you can sweeten this however you want to sweeten it, but I'm going with a little condensed milk, some vanilla, my rose water and almond essence, a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon powder. And we're just gonna put this all in. Now if you taste it and you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add a little bit of brown sugar. If you don't want to add any sweetness to it, just put in all your spices and the porridge ready. The porridge nice, the porridge filling, just Guys, this is such a simple, easy little thing for do, mats up the breakfast a morning time, and everything sort out. So yes. And porridge ready. Now make sure before you serve the porridge you take out the cinnamon leaf them, because so them not gone away unless you take them out, and you just serve this up. Now tell me, what would you have this with? 2 slices of hard dough bread or some crackers. I'm kind of I don't know, probably whatever me in the mood for. Sometime in the mood for bread, sometime in the mood for crackers. But comment down below and tell me what you like to have with your porridge. And there you have it, guys, my plantain peanut porridge. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.